All right, so we're dividing polynomials. We've got 3x to the power 4 plus 2x minus 8 divided by x minus 8. So we're going to say here x minus 8 divided by 3x to the power 4. So we do not have x to the power 3, so we add it in here. All right, plus 0 x cubed, right, plus we don't have an x squared, so plus 0 x squared, right, and we say plus 2x minus 8. All right, so we start our process: division, multiplication, and subtraction, DMS. So we start step 1, division. All right, divide 3x to the power 4 divided by x. We get 3x to the power 3. All right, so we're going to put 3x to the power 3 here. All right, step 2, we multiply 3x cubed times x, we get 3x to the power 4. 3x cubed times negative 8, we get negative 24x cubed. We're done with step 2 of multiplication. Step 3, we subtract. All right, so we subtract here. All right, 3x to the power 4 minus 3x to the power 4, 0. 0x cubed minus negative 24x cubed. Negative and negative make positive. So we have positive 24x cubed here. All right, now we can bring down our 0x squared plus 0x squared plus, we can bring down our 2x here and bring down our negative 8. All right, so we'll repeat the process again. Right, we divide, multiply, and subtract. All right, so we start again. We divide. So we're going to divide 24x cubed by x. All right, so 24x cubed divided by x, remain with 24x squared. Oops. All right, so we're going to put here plus 24x squared. 24x squared times x, we get 24x cubed. Right, 24x squared times negative 8. Right, 24 times negative 8, we get, hold on, we get negative 192x squared, right, minus 192x squared. All right, Step 3, subtract. 24x cubed minus 24x cubed, 0. 0 minus negative 192x squared, we get positive 192x squared. All right. Then we can drop this plus 2x minus 8. Okay, we start our process over again. Divide, multiply, and subtract. All right, so now what we're going to divide is 192x squared divided by x. So 192x squared divided by x. All right, cancel the x, cancel it out. All right, remain with 192x. All right, so we put here plus 192x. Right, 192x times x, we get 192x squared. All right, 192 times negative 8, we get negative 1536. I mean, negative 1536. So we say minus 1536x. All right. The final step, subtract. 192x squared minus 192x squared, 0. 2 minus 2x minus negative 1536x. So this negative and negative, it becomes positive. So it's like 2x plus 1536x. We get 1538x. All right. We bring down our minus 8 here, minus 8. Then we repeat our process again, divide, multiply, and subtract. All right, so we divide 1538x, 1538x divided by x. We get positive 1538. All right. So 1538 times x, we'll get 1538x minus, right, 1538 times negative 8, we get negative 12,304. So let me just make space. 12,304. So, right here we have 1538x minus 12,304. So finally, 1538x minus 1538x, we get 0. All right. Negative 8 minus negative 12,304. So is the same as negative 8 because this we've got two negatives here, negative here and this other negative. So negative and negative make positive. So it's like negative 8 plus 12,304, and we get 12,900, 12,296. All right, 12,296. So that is our remainder. So how we write our answer? It's a very big answer ish. Our answer is going to be 3x cubed plus 24x squared plus 192x plus 1538, right, plus 12,296 divided by x minus 8. Right, very big answer here. Right, so 3x cubed plus 24x squared plus 192x plus 1538 plus 12,296 divided by x minus 8.
It was a long answer, sir.
It was a long one.
Sir, hello, sir.
Yes.
It confused me when I just reached 192x. That these figures are too big. 1,500. Maybe I'm wrong. But
No. You just you listen. You are even doing the correct thing. So you doubted yourself. You are doing the correct thing.
I found 3x cubed minus 24x squared plus 192x.
So
And then I stopped. I found the 1,503
that's
feet. And now, Chakuri is at number.
at two's down. Two's down. Okay, let's try to look at the other one. All right, just take a screenshot in case you want to see this. All right, I want to erase this part here so that I can begin. Is it all right if I erase now?
We can.
Right. That's the problem with algebra. They give big operations in university level. So you have to be ready. You have to be patient also. Very patient.
No, sir. Where I was missing it on the 0 squared, the 0x cubic. Are you asked me when you just said it, how would you determine to say this one? I need to put a 0 squared, 0x squared, 0x.
Okay, because they should, the way it should be, ideally, all right. If we see like here on, like for this question here, right? We saw the highest degree is to the power 4, right? So normally we would expect that we'll have x to the power 3, and also we had 2x to the power 1, but then we never had x to the power 2, all right? So you would see, you're going to see the gap, have you seen? From x to the power 4 to x to the power 1, there's something missing. Okay, you will see in the question, even like here, from x to the power 5 to x to the power 1, it's missing. Okay, it's missing. So you know that, okay, in my division, I'll have to include them. All right, they should be in order: x to the power 5, x to the power 4, x to the power 3, x squared, and x. So if you see them missing, then you'll know. Then when you're dividing, you'll see when you're dividing. Could you please mute your mic? So like this one, x to the power 5. All right. Now we don't have to x to the power 4. So we know that, okay, we'll just add a 0 x to the power. Could you please mute your mic? Will you please mute your mic? So we don't have x to the power 4. We don't have x to the power 3. We don't have x to the power 2. Right? We don't even have x to the power 1. All right? We don't even have x to the power 1. All right? Minus 8. All right? Minus 8. We start our process. Divide 3x to the power 5 divided by x. We get 3x to the power 4. Three x to the power 4 times x, we get 3x to the power 5 plus 3x to the power 4 times 2, we get 12x to the power 4. Our final step, we subtract 3x to the power 5 minus 3x to the power 5, 0. 3x to the power 4, 0, x to the power 4 minus 12x to the power 4, we get negative 12x to the power 4. All right. So we have subtracted. All right. We can bring down this 0x cubed.
So where's the 12 coming from?
Where's the?
The 12x.
0. Oh, not.
The 12 coming from.
Oh, it's supposed to be
3
6.
times.
Oh, ish.
It's supposed to be 6.
Okay, thanks for being
Yes.
attentive. Thanks for being attentive. Ish. 6x. 6x. So, yes. So we'll have, it will be negative 6x here. And so x to the power 4 really confused me. I thought it was 4 times 3. Yeah. All right. All right. So we bring down our 0x cubed plus 0x squared plus 0x plus 0x minus 8. This one also looks like it will be a big answer. Brace yourselves, colleagues. It will be a big answer. Okay. We start division, multiplication, and subtraction. Negative 6x to the power 4 divided by x. We get negative 6x to the power 3. negative 6x to the power 3 times x, we get negative 6x to the power 4. Negative 6x to the power negative 6x to the power 3 times 2, we get negative 12x cubed. Mr. Charles, where did your 14x come from? In your answer, you said you had a 14x. Where has it come from?
I'm saying so.
All
I'm
right.
saying where I was wrong, sir. I'm making laughing.
All right. Negative 6x to the power 4 minus negative 6x to the power 4. Okay, negative and negative make positive, so it's 0. 0x cubed minus negative 12x cubed, the same as 0 plus 12x cubed, we get positive 12x cubed. All right. These two this negative here and this minus sign make it positive. So we have subtracted. Now we bring down our 0x squared plus 0x squared plus 0x minus 8. All right. We repeat the process. All right. Division. So we divide 12x cubed divided by x. We get 12x squared plus 12x squared. Right, just hold on. All right. Where are we? So yes. 12x squared times x, we get 12x cubed. All right, 12x squared plus 12x squared times 2, we get 24x squared. All right, 24x squared. We subtract 12x squared minus 12x squared, 0. 0 minus 24x squared, we get negative 24x squared. All right, then we bring down plus 0x minus 8. The space is even running out. All right, we say again, 12, we divide, so we say 12 negative 24x squared. All right, negative 24x squared divided by x gives us 24x. So get negative 24x. All right. So negative 24x times x, we get negative 24x squared. Right. Then negative 24x times 2, we get negative 48x. Right. Negative 48x. All right. We subtract. All right. Negative 24 minus negative 24, 0. Okay, then 0x minus negative 48x, we get This negative and negative, you get positive 48x. All right, positive 48x. All right, and we bring down our 8 here. All right, then we repeat the process. All right, we repeat the process. Okay. So we say 48x divided by x, we get 48. So it's a plus 48. All right. 48 times x, we get 48x. Let me just continue. 48x minus 8. Right? 48. Wait. 48 times x, we get 48. 8x. Then 48 times 2, we get 96. All right, so it's a plus 96. All right. So on top, we have 48x minus 8 on top, okay? I hope we're following here, all right? This 48 minus x here, I've just brought it here on top, all right? So 48x minus 48x, we get 0, all right? We get 0. Then negative 8 minus 96. Negative 8 minus 96. Minus negative 8 minus 96. Yes, minus 96. We get negative 104. All right, so our remainder is negative 104. Okay, so our answer, we can put it here. 3x to the power 4 minus 6x cubed plus 12x squared minus 24x plus 48 minus 104 minus 104 over x plus 2. Right? That is our answer. Very big answer. Yes. All right.
So,
Mm-hmm.